Welcome to my meal prep series where I will be sharing a new recipe with you every single week. High protein, easy, healthy meals that you can make for your family in a short amount of time and with as little effort as possible. Today we are making a chicken and bell pepper sheet pan stir fry. We use the sheet pan because then the effort is minimal and we are hands off. So if you enjoy this recipe and you don't want to miss a recipe, make sure you like and subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below. All of your questions are welcome. Let's go. Here is a look at the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. We're going to start by preparing our bell peppers. You will clean them, chop them, and add them to a large bowl. Then we'll take our 2 large chicken breasts, cube them into bite-sized pieces, and add them to the bowl as well. Next, we'll add our sauce ingredients and give it a really good mix. Move these ingredients onto a prepared sheet pan in a single layer and then pop it in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This recipe makes 4 servings, each with 350 calories and 35 grams of protein. Thank you for watching. You can find the full detailed recipe in the notes below. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a recipe. And you can follow me on Instagram at AshleyQuickFit for more nutrition tips, tricks, and recipes like this one.